from Poland. We just did a combined sports and economic challenge. Let me show you. Sports and economic. And now we go back in normal mode. Because we just rented two hilariously funny bikes, like old Bonanza bikes, as they say in Germany, with just one gear, and went 6 kilometers, first 3.5 kilometers to a rocket museum, where the problem was that they would charge money to enter it, and we didn't have any money anymore because the bikes were so expensive. And then we went further to the biggest dune in Poland, the Polish Sahara. We visited for, I guess, 8 minutes, one cigarette length, and then we had to hurry back through the sand with the bicycles because the guy who rented it would close, and we had 30 zlotys left and 20 zlotys for the bikes and 10 zlotys for parking. Otherwise, we wouldn't get our car, wouldn't get Sharky out of his parking jail. So it was a really nice combination of economic sports, and we are now totally exhausted. I have the taste of blood in my mouth. And we are really happy to be back in Sharky again. Have the seat heater on, the heating in the car on, so that the sweat can dry. And now we go where we would go. I don't know, I'm talking shit because my brain is just go. Oh, but it was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Fun and time pressure.
Yeah, fun and
Very
time pressure. Very fun.
If they had like real mountain bikes in a good condition.
You mean if we are would be in good
No,
condition?
no.
Safe.
If my wheels would have been full with air.
Yeah. When
wouldn't
the
been
farmer
like
can
half-
swim, it's always the bathing suit.
No, but really, if I would have had my bike, I would have been much faster
Okay.
and not so exhausted. Because also the size of the bikes didn't fit.
But it was fun anyway.
It was fun.